All right, so you're at a dock that's dark. You can't see the dock. You can't see hardly anything except for wherever your headlights are. Problem is you're going to be backing up. That's what you're going to be doing. And it's into this hole right here. What's in that hole? Well, everybody carries flashlights, right? So there's a truck, there's a dock. Dock. I know I'm supposed to be in this dock. If you know which dock you're supposed to back into, that's fine, you can back in. If by chance the guy just tells you come out and back into that dock and there's no lights, this is a really good way of doing this. Take your flashlight, which I have one right here, which I have a flashlight on my camera too. Take your camera, either if there's a cone here, so I can do it on that, or you can just set it right here on the ground. And that's going to light up your dock. See that? Now I'm going to take it and I'm going to set it right here, aimed at the dock back there. Now this isn't lighting it up quite as much as it is in real life, but now if I back up, I can see inside there. I can see the line. I'll be able to see that in my camera. I mean, in my mirror. We can see it in the camera. So what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and get up in here. I've already pulled the tandems, or the slide on the tandem, so I can slide the tandems all the way back. I like almost always having my tandem slid all the way to the rear. And then we're going to do the, I opened up the doors already. So we're going to climb up in here. Hi, April. What are you doing? What you doing, April? She's my ride or die little girl right there. Love you. All right. Enough with all that manlyism. We got the flashlight set up. It's aimed at the top of the dock there. And the reason I put it off to the side is so that my trailer won't block the light until I'm almost all the way in the hole. So now we're gonna go ahead and slide them and pull forward. All right, turn the flashlight off on the phone. First thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put it in reverse. I'm gonna back up a little bit to help pop the pin. There we go. And then we're gonna go forward. Yes, it's an automatic. And pull forward just a little bit. There we go. Then we can go ahead and release the brakes on the trailer. Now, you guys, well, you won't be able to see it. There's a driveway over here. I can see the driveway over to the right, okay? I'm gonna pull out as far as I can over to the left of it, because that's, if you sit here and you look at the dock right here out your side mirror and you're parallel to the dock there, and then you look out your other mirror or your other side of your window and look straight out, you'll be able to see somewhat of a line. You'll be able to see the trees and wherever you're supposed to be. So you're going to try to make your swing out as wide as you can so you can try to line up with that exact door. Kind of like I did in one of my other videos of how to back in. So we're going to turn like this. Lucky for me, they've got these big poles right here. If I'm going to get too close to them, then I can adjust, but I'm going to go ahead and miss it just barely. There's nowhere else to pull over here, so I'm going to just go ahead and use as much of the street as possible, and we'll have to guide that back as best as possible. Now, I don't know if you guys can see it. Let me zoom in. You can see that I'm even with the truck back there. Can't see it on this side, but I am back. So now I'm going to go ahead and straighten myself out as I back up. Let me get out of the street real quick. That way we can see what I'm doing here. Okay, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and zoom in now. I'm out of the street. And go ahead and zoom in on the back. I'm gonna set this in a spot where I'll be able to see what I'm doing. But see, now I can see that I am lined up. I can see the dock, where I'm going. And I can go ahead and just back straight up to the dock. Trying to watch my lines. Make sure I'm gonna be on that line that's on the ground. I gotta watch my right and my left to make sure I'm not gonna hit nothing. I'll have to do a video sooner or later of how this new automatic works. This new automatic is great. But you see, I can see everything that's going on back in here. And I am just about all the way backed up to the dock. There it is. Bump the dock, set your brakes. See there? You can see where I'm right at the edge of the dock. You can kind of see the line because of the flashlight. And that's the only reason I can see all of that right now. It's because of that flashlight. Let me go ahead and shut this down. I'm going to turn off my lights. That way we can see everything that's going on. Make sure you use 3 points of contact while you're backing up. Now see, there's a line. Yes, I'm a little off. I'm going to point that out before somebody else does. But there it is. You can see everything that's going on right there because of that flashlight right there. So now I can take my flashlight and I can check it out. I know I'm square with, well, straight with the dock back there. This line is just a little bit off. I've been here before. April's complaining because she needs to use the bathroom. Let's go ahead and check this side. See this side, I'm like right on the line. So yeah, that line right there is perfectly straight with the truck. So I'm not that bad off. But there it is. Let me put this over here. Oh, that's bright. Anyway, thank you for watching. Please subscribe. We'll have more backup videos and more instructional videos and all of that kind of stuff coming in the near future. Thumbs up for backing up in the dark and being able to not hit anything and doing it properly. So that's it. That's all I got. Have a great night. And be careful out there. Keep the rubber side down and the shiny side up and all that other stuff that truck drivers say. I've got 22 years experience, over 3 million miles. Pretty good track record, I'm telling you. So yeah, see you guys later. Say bye, April. She looks like a devil dog. Bye, April. Bye. You gonna come over here? You ready to walk? All right, we got to get going because she's got to use the bathroom. I'm just gonna set her down right here, let her walk. See you all in the next video.